Hi, John. Hi, Marcia. So today we're going to be talking about compound interest and how this affects you when you're investing into a stock. So let's get straight to it. Compound interest. What is it? Well, compound interest is this. When buying a stock, you want to make sure you buy a stock that pays dividends. Dividends plays a huge part in compound interest. Compound interest is taking your dividends and reinvesting them into a stock. This will increase your money over a long period of time way more. As you can see in the graph below, the green line is our interest over 15 years. By reinvesting your interest, the more money you will come out with in the end. The blue line is our starting amount. By reinvesting and using compound interest, as you can see, we make way more money. Before we invest into a stock, we have to know the difference between stocks and dividends. Dividends represents a way for shareholders of a stock, so me and you, to receive money or to receive a regular income from their investments. Aside from dividends, stocks do not provide regular payments to shareholders, who may see a value in their shares increase but do not receive money. So here's a rundown. For example, in your scenario, by investing $1,300 into Procter & Gamble with a return rate of 2.86 and with an additional $500 monthly, your balance over 19 years is going to be $152,853. This is just one investment alone. Imagine what you could do with a couple. A safe place to invest your money. When investing into a stock, be sure to check the past history of the stock and also be sure to check the yield, dividend, payout ratio, and history of ratio. A safe investment to make that will be a long-term gain would be Procter & Gamble. Currently, Procter & Gamble is paying a dividend of 79 cents per share. This company has a dividend yield of 2.45, which is really good in the long run. Financial success. As you can see, if you want to achieve your financial goals much quicker, investing your money into a reliable stock can increase your money over the long run greatly. Remember, your savings is what you've worked towards, so don't let it slip away. Think long term, not short term. Some stable stocks we can look through. Berkshire Hathaway, Walt Disney Company, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, and Procter & Gamble. All these are great for long-term stock investments. In conclusion, by investing into stocks and using compound interest, you can save way more money over a long period of time. The best part about it is you don't have to do anything. You let your money sit and you make money. It's pretty crazy. Well, that's everything, and I hope I helped, John, and I hope I helped Marcia. Have a great day. Thank you.